Yo, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial. I'm 7beats and today I'm going to show you how to create a really awesome trap slash dancehall beat for beginners. Make sure to check out my Afrobeat sample pack, the link will be in the description, and also make sure to sign up for my newsletter and receive access to this free FLP, so make sure to check it out, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. And because this is a beginner tutorial, I will go through all the steps. So first set the tempo to 100. So right here, and we're going to add some swing to this beat, and you can do this on your channel rack right here, and set this one to 20%, and you can see this on the left on the top, so 20%. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create the melodies, afterwards add some drums, do a little bit of mixing and create a simple arrangement. So first I'm going to start off with Analog Lab 4. And I'm just going to look for a really nice keys preset. So I found this really awesome preset. And I'm going to create a really simple chord progression. And this melody will be in A major. And A major is just a scale and will help you to create a chord progression. And it will consist out of these notes. So I'll just randomly start. So maybe A. And maybe just add a C sharp right here, and maybe also right here. So maybe add this F right here. So 5 up right here, and maybe just add an E right here. And maybe just an A right here. So we're adding 4 notes in every chord. So right now you can play around with the velocity, and I've made some adjustments to the chords right here, and you can do this by Alt R, and you can randomize the velocity. And right now I'm going to add a second analog lab and just copy this melody. And I found this really awesome preset. I'm going to add some low notes by just using the root notes. So A, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. And right now just create a really basic melody. So like this. Maybe I should switch the synthesizer melodies. So the chords to my first analog lab. Yeah, I think this one sounds way much better. And this one in the background. So I've used an audio clip for and because it's a beginner tutorial, I will not add any more melodies, so keep it really simple, and you could do the same with the other synthesizers, just free synthesizer from, for example, the stock Fruity synthesizers. And right now I'm going to add some drums. So this rim shot. Just a really basic pattern. And just add a percussion. Maybe just right here. Just also really simple. And right now I've added this hi-hat pattern. also really simple, and I've created this bounce by playing around with the velocity right here and also randomizing the velocity. And I'm also going to add an open hit. And maybe just add a second one and just copy this pattern to open head 2 and just place it right here. First one as the second open head. Still just really simple. And right now we're going to add a kick. So I'm going to use a really deep kick. This one. Turn up the velocity like this. Again, just really simple. And right now, because I'm creating more like a trappy 808 beat, I'm going to add a really common 808. So I'm adding this 808. I'm going to check if the root note is C. So it's G sharp. So I'm going to make some adjustments right here. I'm going to create an envelope and set the root note to G sharp. So right mouse button right here. So root note is G sharp. This makes it way easier to create 808 patterns. And right now I'm just going to use the root notes and create my 808 pattern using the notes from my root notes. And the most basic trick when creating a really basic or beginner 808 pattern is just copy your kick pattern into your 808 pattern. And so A, so as you can remember, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp are my root notes. So in this tutorial I'm just going to keep it really simple and just create a really simple 808 pattern. And you can add some more diversity by just a really simple trick. So bar 1 and 2 are basically the same as bar 3 and 4. And we want to make a really simple adjustments because it will add some diversity, and add just a note right here. Just really simple. I'm going to turn down the vibrato because maybe it sounds a little bit off. So this sounds way much better. And right now I'm just going to create a really simple arrangement. So how you can do this is just cut and paste in another pattern. And again, like this. So you can see this as a group, your hi-hats and open hats. The 808. So 4, 3, my melodies and my drums. So my kick is in here and my rim. So my rim and my percussion right here. And just create a really simple arrangement. And right here, the kick and the 808 is coming in. So like this. And maybe add some effects. And maybe add a crash right here. right now I'm going to link all my drums at once to my mixer. So select all your drums like this, open up your mixer, insert one, channel routing, and the second one. So right now all your channels are linked to the mixer. And we could use a filter right here. So right mouse button, animation clip. And maybe you can add a saw bass right here using our root notes. And maybe use a bass like this. Create a new pattern. And turn it down. Take it to the mixer and cut out all the high frequencies. So use a low pass filter. So add this one right here. The low frequencies from the effects. And that's basically it. So the beat isn't really finished, but it's just how you could begin starting a really awesome dancehall beat. So make sure to download this free FLP. It will be available on my website, so make sure to check it out. Also make sure to check out my Afrobeats sample pack and participate in my Afrobeats and dancehall contest. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and see you guys in one of my next tutorials.